In this step, we are going to set up an editor. There are two options for editor. One is Android Studio, and second is Visual Studio Code. In this tutorial, we are going to use Visual Studio Code. So first, install VS Code. Please install VS Code from this link. So this link is here. So please install VS Code. After you finish install VS Code, install the Flutter and Dart plugins. So please open VS Code. So please type Ctrl+Shift+P and install extension. Install extension. Click and search Flutter, and you find Flutter, and please install this. Wait a minute to finish installing. Okay, install finish. So go back document. Validate your setup with the Flutter Doctor. So let's check Flutter Doctor. Open terminal and Flutter Doctor. This VS Code became green. Yes, this became green. So this is a finish of this step. Thank you.